Hey, this is Byron, the Stock Master. Welcome to the Stock Master Show. This is going to be short. Today, it was a sell-off today, this morning. I'm going to show you with the bell ringing this morning how the stock market opened up. And I'll try to be very informative to you. That's what I do. Other companies don't do this. Today is January 20th, Tuesday. And the stock market, it was a big sell-off. And I just want to show you a little bit what happened this morning on the stock market. And here we go.
And that most of the cost of the tariffs has been borne by consumers, not necessarily by the exporters or the like.
Right, and people should read this journal story. Tom Fairless, I don't know his work, but Americans are the ones paying for tariffs. Very, very empirical look at things.
Right.
And it did make you feel, all right, I know that we've collected a lot of money. I know Kelly Evans did a pretty good piece for her newsletter about
January
how we collected
20th,
a lot of money.
today,
But,
Tuesday,
I
2026.
that the foreign sources would have been paying more.
See in the corner,
It looks
the
like it's
left-hand
not
corner,
the case.
market sell-off. Watch all the red.
The impact on the economy
No,
that many
it
had
hasn't.
Here we go.
a year ago this
Here we
time.
go.
And I don't see a lot of companies
See it?
hitting the margins, so it's not
Dow
really-
Jones down 700.
The fact that Jackson talked about how people are trading down.
Everything's
because
down. Watch all the red. Red is bad. Green is good.
to trade down to,
Bell open. Look at all that red.
There it is. Opening bell.
The big sell-off. It's a big sell-off this morning, and that will take the stock market down.
Let's see what we'll read on that board is expected. Here's the big board, the Memorial Foundation in commemoration of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. That was, of course, yesterday at the NASDAQ Oxford Lane Capital, focused on investing in collateralized loan obligations.
Yep, you've seen it yourself. That happened January 20th this morning, and that will take the stock market down. Point being, the stock market, you see all the red there. Red means it's a sell-off. That means people are selling more than buying. Now, I want to give you another training tool here. And people don't know this. Most people don't know this. A lot of investors know it, not a lot of analysts knows this. But write this down. This is very, very, very important. There's a bid price and there's an ask price when it comes to every stock. Remember, a bid price and an ask price. The bid price is when you sell the stock. The ask price is when you buy the stock. On every stock, say I'm giving you an example. Say a stock is the bid price is $24 and the ask price is say $28. That's a $4 difference. You gotta be careful when it comes to. You gotta look at the bid price and ask price, because when you buy a stock, say what was it, 24 and 28. When you buy a stock, say you want to buy the stock at 28, and then you want to sell that stock. I'm talking short-term investing. There's a good chance you're going to sell that stock. There's always exceptions. There's a chance that you might sell that stock at the market, which might be at 24. You automatically lose $4 per share. So you got to be careful. That's why I suggest, this is my opinion as a professional, try to look at the bid price and ask price before you buy that particular stock. This is very, very, very important. There's so many other things I'm going to tell you on a day-to-day basis when I could think about it, because there's so much stuff going in the stock market. There's so many, stock market. There's so many tricks and stuff you got to watch out for. You have to be careful, because say you buy 1,000 shares at 28. That's the ask price. And you sell that stock at, you all of a sudden change your mind. The stock, maybe something happened with your financial situation or anything. You automatically want to sell that stock at 24. You lose $4,000 in a matter of seconds. You don't do that. I try to get the bid and ask price as close as possible. Say, a perfect example, another example. If the bid price is $98 per share, that's the sale price if you want to sell it. But I want the ask price to be like 99. Maybe the ask price is usually 99% of the time a little bit higher. I try to get it in a dollar difference or 50-cent difference. So if the bid price is kind of complicated, if the bid price is 98, I want the ask price to be maybe like 99 at the most. I want a $1 difference. That's very important, and I'm really effective doing that right there, because I got burnt doing it the other way. Sometimes the bid price is way lower than the ask price, and you're selling it at the market. It's ways to sell it. It's so many. You could make a selling price and all that stuff, but sometimes that don't go through. Sometimes it just sells at the market price, and that's what you got to watch out for, the market price. If that market price, that bid price is way lower than the ask price, sometimes you can lose a lot of money, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Now, professionals and analysts, they know what they're doing. They know how to put the price in their self to put it set at a certain price where they won't lose that much money. But you got to be, as a beginner, I'm talking about to the beginners, you have to be careful. You're like, why did I lose all this money? it could be because of that reason right there. You got to look at the volume. You got to look at the news. So many different things. These are things that's important coming from the stock master. I've been doing this for 30 years. You have to trust me on this. And other companies won't tell you this stuff. I'm telling you the stock market inside the stock market. That's what I'm trying to get you to understand. I am the best at this. That's why people give me these compliments, because I care about you. It had nothing to do with me. I care about you. And I'm trying to get people insight on what's going on in the stock market. That's just one training tool right there. Watch out for that, please. And give me your opinion and comments on this, because I'm trying to help you out. There's so many other things too. There's so many other factors when it comes to the stock market. And please like, subscribe, and share my videos. And hit that bell button so my videos, when I think of something else that can help you out, my videos can get to you immediately. This is Byron, the Stock Master. I'm not going to talk you to death. I could talk stock market all day. But right now, I have to, where's my little sheet of paper? Oh, here we go. I have to research all these stocks, to find out one hot stock for you so you can make money. I'm researching. I'm going to go look at the news. I'm going to look at the analyst report. I'm going to look at everything, the volume, the EPA, the PES. I'm sorry. I'm getting confused. The EP, earnings per share, the EPS, I'm sorry. Oh, man. There's so much I got to tell you. My mind is good. I'm 62 years old. Anyway, I got to research all these, and I'm going to try to find a hot stock for you. And this evening, I think I will. Give me a chance. Like I said, hit that bell button. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. And leave comments on your opinion, too. Because my main objective is to find a good stock for you, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm asking you to believe in me, believe in my knowledge, believe in that I'm telling you the truth. I'm not just trying to sell you something like other people. And that's pretty much it. This is Byron, the Stock Master. I'll talk to you later on today or tomorrow. Thank you.